Here's a slideshow that we did with a class. However, if you'd like to add a slide, all you simply need to do is click the Add button, and it will add a new slide. If I'm clicked, depending on where I'm clicked, so I'm clicking on slide 4, it's going to make the same, it will create the same template as the slide that I just created. The other thing that you can do is hit the little arrow next to the plus sign, and you can choose any of these little templates for your slide. So we could do a blank slide. Then to delete a slide, simply click on the slide and hit the backspace button, or you can right click and you can delete the slide. You can also duplicate a slide. So there it is right there. And then the other thing that you can do is you can organize them. So if I click on this slide and I drag this slide, I can put it in whatever order I wish. So let's take another slide and move it. And you can see that you can organize the slides that way as well.